With your convenience in mind, some LG dryers come equipped with an accessory drying rack. This rack is ideal for items such as wool sweaters, silk, anything that should dry flat, and other items that should not be tumble dry, such as gym shoes or stuffed animals. To install the drying rack, open the dryer door and slide the rack into the dryer drum. The rear legs should rest on the stationary back wall of the drum. Make sure the front of the rack is resting properly at the front near the lint filter. It is important that the rack is properly mounted because the drum will be rotating during the cycle. Do not overlap items that need to be dried on the rack. This will reduce the drying performance. Make sure the garments are completely on the rack. Any parts that hang over the edge of the rack could be contacted by the rotating drum, which could result in damage. Remember to never use the rack while clothes are tumbling in the tub. While some dryers come with the rack dry cycle, you can also use other cycles available to suit your particular needs. However, it is recommended that you use a lower temperature setting because the clothes are not tumbling and could become overheated if the setting is too high.